Yeah, you use a great example because I've actually been working on this. The word but.
Comma
right?
but.
Yeah. I've been trying to replace that with and as often as possible because you basically you disqualify whatever you said, right?
So one of those two things is wrong. Yep.
I'm sorry, but well, you just took away the apology.
Yep.
You just took it away with one word. I'm sorry, and now it's additive.
So of my 13 shit words, you use like 5 of them there. Trying, but, sorry. All shit words.
Yeah.
So I'll even argue there. Get rid of sorry, change it to thank you. Instead of leading with remorse. Because when you lead with remorse, you say, I'm sorry. I'm making it all about me and my remorse. Instead, I say, hey, thank you.
Or instead of trying, I'm working on.
Or what are you doing? Qualify it.
Yeah.
I did this. This is what I'm doing next. I will do that. Right? We say, well, I will. And it's like, well, did you? Oh, no. Like you all of a sudden are lying to yourself, right? So the comma but. This is the one my author, I wrote the book with a ghostwriter, the co-author, and she's like, Andy, you can't go through life without comma but. And I was like, well, give me time. And we disqualified every single one of them. Sometimes it's an and, right? Hey, I'm struggling in my marriage, right? In my marriage. I'm struggling in my marriage, but my spouse isn't participating either. It's like, okay, well, those aren't competing thoughts. I'm struggling and she's not helping. Okay, we have 2 things to deal with here, right? All of a sudden you're pre-blaming her because you're struggling in your marriage. It's like, well, hold on. I'm struggling and she's not participating. Okay, well, let's have a solution here. Or the I'm sorry. Well, this may be the ultimate shit phrase. I'm sorry you feel this way, but that wasn't my intention. I'm abstaining of all. It's like, wow. Oh man, like that's an hour's worth of work, right? I'm going to spend the first 55 minutes to convince you how terrible of a victim statement that is. And then we'll get into the second half of whatever it is, right? I'm sorry you feel that way. Oh, you just, and so when you eliminate one word like I'm sorry and say, hey, thank you. So for example, right, I could say, right, our situation, very simple, right? Cancellation or people being late. Those happen every day, right? You could say, hey, I'm sorry, but I had da-da-da-da-da. And it's like, well, I don't care what you had to do. You can't make it. And said, hey, thanks for your patience. What does this time look like? Now we're future focused. Okay, hey, thanks for your patience. Thanks for your understanding. Thanks for your acknowledgement. Thanks for your accepting. Oh, I feel great. I feel great you're thanking me. I did nothing other than move a dot on my calendar, and I got to thank you for it. Ooh, I should be more flexible in the future.